So in the hotel in Toddy, it's actually really, really cute. So I'm feeling really not good. Like, look at my skin, I look horrible. We got here this morning. I haven't slept in 2 days because we've been just traveling for 2 days. Haven't showered either, so I'm really excited to shower. We got here like early this morning, so we've had to like stay awake. I already burnt my shoulders. Anyway, so I had to stay awake all this morning because we got here early. I'm in my bikini, so this is like kind of not okay. But we went to the pool for a bit, which was really nice because it's so unbelievably hot. Like, it's 35 degrees and the sun is just like, it's so hot. So I'm about to have a shower. Really excited. I'm like got like a runny nose from the plane and I'm just like not vibing, so I can't wait to shower. Going out for dinner. I'm just like really, I'm gonna wash my face. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. I literally can't wait.
Yo, what's up, gang?
Can you seriously not?
It's on every night till Sunday, but we have another school.
Tip, and then they go just, wow, you're really funny. And then they're like just tip.
Someone coming?
Does look cool.
There's someone coming.
I heard you. There's someone coming.
We went out last night and now I can't talk. Completely lost my voice. So that's really fun.
I've had 3 now. 2 here and 1 at the
Oh my god, I'm sneezing over there.
Been trying to get big, but I don't think they have any small sizes. Can't flick them off. No. What the fuck?
Got this like droplet in my ear that won't come out. It's really pissing me off.
Jesus.
The lifeguard invited me to a disco. Yeah.
other one there. Yeah. So yeah. And that, look, they're all worth having.
And then you can like zoom in with that, and like it's got a really good zoom. Like I can go all the way.
Right into Dad's face.
Yeah. And then all the way back out. I love that.
Look at his baldy. Yeah, look at that head.
It's receding a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it's receding.
Slightly.
Got it on there. So there is a market on at the bus stop. So we are heading to the market, and I'm wearing these shoes, and I might regret it later when I have to wear heels at the wedding. But we shall see.
Build it like that.
I don't touch the towels. I don't know.
No, that is.
Like a stupid.
Oh, they're such a cute couple.
No, that's okay. Fuck me, I'm sweating. Okay, here we are. Family's over there. Last night we had the wedding. I lost all of my rings, so that was a bit traumatic. I was sobbing. It was actually quite upsetting. Not like I don't have any of them, like all my favorite ones, so that's great. Like, of course that would happen to me. Anyway, whatever, we're moving on. I'm just not thinking about it. If I just don't think about it, then it didn't happen. Now we're walking back to the hotel, and then we're going to my auntie's. I've double checked everything. Should probably just throw them out or whatever. We're going to Florence.
Face mask down there. Yeah.
That's Hugh's eye mask from the plane.
I'm glad you guys got to do this.
It's just like.
Di cui ho raggiunto completamente il questa parte della comunità del 2019 e quindi come opera da costruire.
We are in Rome. I can't put that there actually, that's not gonna be stable. Okay, we're in Rome in a really cute, fun apartment. It's adorable. I'm sick. I'm not COVID, but I'm sick. And I've actually bought a few things. I just like never had time to like properly like show it, I guess. Got this dress, it's so pretty. It's long, I love it. I got this little skirt. It's a bit big on me, but like I just thought it was really cute and very European, so I'm gonna try and wear it. And then I also got, where is it? And then I also got this dress. Very European, very Italian. Just beautiful. I love it. They're all €3 each. €9 for these three. That's like what? 18 Australian dollars, a little bit less. Crazy. The crossbody bag I got, very fun, very cute, love it. And I got this shoulder bag, so I thought it was really pretty. But yeah, love it. Where are we going, everyone? Where are we going? Oh my god.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And you go, wee.
Ciao, wow, 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 mamma che brutto.
This is the fit. Stunning, stunning, stunning. My friend from school is in Rome as well. I'm waiting for Archie and then we're going out and I'm really excited. I haven't seen Archie in forever.
This is the red man.
Where are we? Where are we?
Roma!
Roma!
La Tiberina. Isola del cinema. Pizzeria.
Pizzeria! Yum, yum, yum. Alright, let's get some gelati. Oh my god! Love her.